Hi, I'm Shirley with Wigs Warehouse. Now I want to show you one step down from all hand tied. And that's a wig that's going to have a lace front and a mono top. The back's all going to be machine made. And why I like to really point this out is I've actually gone on some of the e-commerce websites and I was really surprised at some of the wigs. They will tell the people that they're monofilament and they're charging you a price as if it were a monofilament. They are not. They're strictly, because I know my products, I've done this for 40 plus years. Some of them that they'll tell you are mono, they're just strictly a machine-made piece, and they've inflated the price something terrible. And I think the public should be made aware of really what monofilament means, what lace front means, and what machine-made means. And that's why I'm showing you this. Like I said, this is a very nice product. There's nothing wrong with the machine-made in back. It's just not as spendy because it doesn't have quite all the labor-intensive features that, an all-hand-tied one would be. So, okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you learned something from this. And thanks for watching, and look at our other videos too, please.